Hello everyone, I hope you're all doing great and I hope that God is protecting all of you. Amito Mitra here from Kampala, Uganda, East Africa. Today I'm going to go straight into the point because there is a high chance this video could be extremely long. So we are going for my bridal shower. Yes, we're having a bridal shower getaway with all my girlfriends, and I'm very excited. The excitement might not show on my face right now. It will show later or tomorrow because I had a very hectic week, hectic day, hectic days, hectic week. So I'm just trying to summarize and be out of here as soon as I can. So I'm doing the packing. You know, they say that it is not easy for anyone to accept to be your bridesmaid. It takes a lot. It takes time. Like, they have to waste a lot of time. They have to waste money and so many things. What else, Cynthia? What else do they waste? Like, if you request someone to be
time and money, because those are the most expensive things.
Yes. So I am really grateful to these people that accepted to be my bridesmaids, and I thought of gifting them something. I am going to pack a few things for them, and I want to take you through the whole process of packing these things. I hope they love them. These things, I know you'll be watching. My girls, these things are from the bottom of my heart. I'm really grateful for everything you guys have done for me. There's so much love that you've given me, the support, emotional, financial, everything. You guys have really been there for me. I never asked anyone for any help, but you came through for me. May God bless you and bless you abundantly. So I put a few things together that we're going to pack together. I don't know if I'm going to be talking. I don't know why these kids in the next building are making noise, but I hope the noise is not in the video. So I got them these robes. I'm going to first pack the robes and then I'll be showing you. I bought this, I don't know what this is called, large storage reusable bags. Yeah, I bought these reusable bags. Kindly show people. I bought these reusable bags. I don't know if they're really going to be enough, but I just want to fit in each of these into this so that they can fit into the boxes that I have. These are the boxes I'm working with. I don't know if they'll be enough, but let's see how it goes. So I customized these robes for them. I wrote their names behind. As you can see, this is Aminata, my favorite cousin, and then this is Vanessa, my darling. Hattie, my darling. Then Hope, my darling, and then there's someone missing. This is Christine, T on the T, Tina. There's someone missing. There is Hattie. Lillian is missing. Lillian is here. So I'm going to pack all these in these bags. Let me just show you how the robes look like on the front. This is how they look like. I've not yet waxed, so if you guys see my hair as the side, please don't judge me. I'm going to wax on my way. So this is how they look like, and this is how they look like behind. They have this rope to tie in front. Anyway, I think you guys have seen them. I just love them. They really look good. I love this silver, and then Tina has gold. They're really nice. I love them for them. So let me pack them. I'll get back to you after putting them here and we'll proceed.
Sometimes I wish my daddy was here so I could get a little hold of what a daddy could give. I saw my dreams fade into streams of the daddy running water has a side on the streets. Sometimes I wish my dreams were real. I would have been a little different in viewing me. I saw my hopes fade in the streams of the.
So I have finally packed all of them in these bags, and as you can see, we have Lillian, we have Aminata. Let me just put them in their respective bags. We have Aminata, we have Vanessa, we have Hope, we have Hattie, and we have Christine, T on the T. Yeah, so I also made these books. these are not books, these are diaries. I made diaries for them, as you can see, with love from Amito the bride. And I went ahead to write a few things for them. To you, my ride or die. And I personalized these messages to each and every one. This is for hope. I talked about one of the most memorable experiences I've had with them, or moments I've had with them. This is Vanessa. The things that they have done for me that I don't really take for granted. So this is for Aminata, my sister. Yeah, oh, I'm not even showing you how the diaries look like inside. So they can always use them for work, for their day-to-day things, like whatever they want to write, for prayer, for church, whatever. This is for my sister Lillian. I really hope you all appreciate these, because this is how I feel about you guys. This is for Hattie. And this is for Tea on the Tea. So you can always use these to write whatever you feel you should write, but make sure you keep this book until I die, until 100 years, and then you bring it out and show it to me. Or when I'm making 50 years in marriage, so you can bring it and show it to me. I'll be the happiest. Anyway, so I'm going to be putting each in one of these boxes. I'll first read and see whose this is. This is Lillian's. This is Hattie's. This is Christine's. This is Aminata's. I don't know why I'm mixing Lillian and Aminata. This is Lillian here. This is Aminata. This is Vanessa. And last but not least is Hope. Okay. So I also made candles. For those of you who don't know, I make scented candles and reed diffusers. So I decided to make each for the girls, so that they have something that I made with my hands for them. And every time they burn these candles, they should know that I really love them and I appreciate them being in my life for all these years. So this is for Tina. This is for Hattie. Where is Hattie? What is it? This is for Aminata. This is for Vanessa. This is for Lillian. This is for Hope. Does that make sense? I think so. Yeah, so I also got them these scents. These are perfumes. I tried to get them beautiful bottles to them, and I customized them in their names. As you can see, the like this whole thing didn't come out the way I wanted it to, but regardless, we move. So this is for Tina. This is for Vani. This is for Hattie. Now one of these is for Aminata, one of these is for Hope, and this is for Lillian. Let me just try to, where is Lillian? Here. This is Lillian. This is Vani. This is Aminata. Is it? Let me see. Yeah, this is Aminata. This is Hope. This is Tea on the Tea. And this is Hattie Girl. So I also went ahead to write a few letters for them. Let me show you a bit. This is for Vani. I just tried to, you know, be creative here and there and just tell them a few things. Dear Vani, maybe you should show them. This reads, Dear Vani, my prayer to God is that he should make you the happiest you've ever been, blah, 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 as you guys have seen. And then you nailed it at being my friend. Now you will be my bridesmaid. So I try to be creative with each of them. I hope they love the messages that I will have written for them, that I have written for them, because I'm done writing. Right, this is Vani, right? Where is Vani? This is Vani. This is for Vani. This is for Aminizi. Found my man, got the ring. Now I need just one more thing. Will you be my bridesmaid? Aminata. So this is for Aminata. This is for the maid of honor. T and the T, and guess what? Bitch, please, you're obviously going to be my maid of honor. So that's for T and the T. Oh God. This is T, and then this is Hope. And her messages here as well. Let's try to make it snappy. This is Hope, right? And this is for Lillian, my baby sis. Yeah. I can't marry my mister without my sister. Will you be my bridesmaids? Yeah, that's for Lillian. And we have Hattie Girl. I got the ring, but I need one more thing. Will you be my bridesmaid? So those are the simple letters I have for them. I hope they read them with a wide smile on their faces. I think that is it, but there is one last thing that I'm adding to them. I went through my gallery and tried to look for, come closer, and tried to look for a few memories that I've had with all of them. And I went to the studio and printed them out, the pictures I mean, and decided to drop a pic for each of them. So this was during COVID when I met Hattie at Izumi, and we really had a good time. We talked about so much. Hattie, I hope you remember this day. Yes, we took this all these photos. I think apart from one, most of these photos were taken with my phone, but then I just had to print them out, so they may not be as clear as normal pictures be, but from the bottom of my heart, just for memory's sake. So this is for Hattie. This is my sister Lillian. Sometime back on one of my birthdays, we took this picture, and she surprised me with a t-shirt that had Amito Mitra YouTube, as you can see, and I cherish that moment till today. So this is my sister. And then Hope. We had gone for one of my ex-friends' wedding. Yeah, and I went with not wedding, introduction, and it rained so heavily, and I ended up wearing that jacket on someone's function, and I felt really bad. But we took this picture at a point when I was feeling so cold, and yeah, this is a memory with Hope. This is Hope. I hope Hope remembers that day. And this is my sister Aminata. This picture was taken by Steve. We were at Protea Hotel by Skies in Naguru. We had gone to have dinner, and we took this. He took this picture of us, and I feel this was a very good memory that we should cherish. Where is Aminata? Yeah. And then this was one of my birthdays at, I think, Royal Suits Bugolobi some years back. I don't remember when. I was with Vanya before COVID, really. I think 2018, 17, I don't know. Or 18 or 19, no, 18, I think. This is Vanessa. Yeah, this is something to look at and remember all the good moments we had that day. And last but not least, the maid of honor. This is a recent picture, but I just loved it, so I decided to print it for tea on the tea. So there we go. These are the things I got for my bridesmaids. I hope they love them. I hope they appreciate them, and they know that they might not be the biggest of things. I might not have bought you guys cars, because I also don't have a car right now. I might not have bought for you guys houses, but these are from the bottom of my heart, and I love you so much, more than these gifts that I've given you. So shortly after packing this, I realized that I hadn't put anything to eat in the boxes. So I went and bought chocolates and biscuits for each of them, added those to their boxes, and when I was handing them over to them, they had some biscuits and chocolates, as you might see in the next video. I love you all so much, my bridesmaids. I can't wait to see you on that D-Day looking so fly. May God bless you and bless you abundantly. Thank you for loving me. I love you back.